So one of the other amazing things that happened just yesterday was called the Starship Hopper. Now, if you've followed Elon Musk, you know that he wants to send you all on flights that last half an hour to get to Asia and stuff, on spacecraft that hold 100 people, and you can get there in no time. Or you can ride the same thing to Mars. I mean, he's really working on giant things. And so he's actually built a test vehicle for this, and this got put together very quickly starting in January. They had a setback when the nose cone got crumpled in a windstorm, but he thought, well, we really don't need that nose cone for the first part of this test. So yesterday morning, or I guess it actually was the night before, I'm not exactly sure of the time, it was when nobody was watching, they fired the Raptor engine, and this is a new highly powerful engine that SpaceX has developed that will be able to make gigantic rockets that are far beyond anything we've been able to launch before, if it works. But so let's see what happened. So this is actually exactly what it was supposed to do. It's a tethered test, so the rocket's held down. It can't launch, and it was only supposed to fire. They only had enough fuel in it to keep it, going for a second or so. But that's the first step. And this is what the hopper will look like when it's fully assembled. I saw an old space guy who probably helped build Apollo and stuff, and he said, at first I laughed when I saw this. It looks ridiculous. But then I thought, it hasn't been since 1926 that anybody has been that daring with experimenting. Only Robert Goddard built his crazy things that really got us started with space. And Elon Musk now is doing it with stuff that is supposed to lower the cost of getting to space so we can really explore it with people and whatever we want to send there. This device, as you see it here, will only go up to 50,000 feet or so. It won't fly into space, but they can maneuver landing and see how something that shape actually works.
So he can do R.I.P., rest in peace, Harambe, if he likes. That's the...
Hey, as long as he keeps building rockets, I'll move to Mars if he does it again.